Okay, good day to everyone. I hope you are all fine and you are doing good. So, today I want to share with you a very useful tool which automatically back up your file into your chosen flash drive. So, as you can see here, I have here in my PC a flash drive. So its name is 8.0 gigabytes volume. So it's already inserted into my USB port. And then I have here an example folder ABRMCU. So uh, I will make this to be automatically saved or have a backup uh, saving into this volume or flash drive so that uh, every time I want to have a backup, I will not do it uh, manually because I want it automatic, because automatic saving can save you a lot of manual work, especially if you are so busy and you have a lot of things to do. And since we have this tutorial, so I can share it with you so that it will be also helpful to you if you want to make automatic backup saving of the files you stored in a particular folder. For example, our folder here is ABRMCU. I just call it, or I just chose this ABRMCU, but you can name it with any name that you want. For example, document or my backup files. Okay, so here is only an example. This is only an example. So I will open this so that you can see the contents of the ABR MCU folder, which I'm going to save automatically to my flash drive every uh, set time. For example, I chose to set it to every 15 minutes, so it means every 15 minutes anything that I did inside this folder will be automatically saved into my flash drive, so I don't need to save it manually. Okay, so for example, I forget to save or make a backup. So since I have this simple tool using rclone, okay, I need to use rclone uh, utility tool for this tutorial, and this will of course very possible because of the rclone. So I will also uh, teach you or share with you how to install rclone. So the main application or utility tool to make this possible is with the use of rclone. Okay, so later on I will share with you or display also or show you the application which I call or which is known as rclone. Okay, so here are the contents. So we're going to save this manually. Okay, so first we will do it manually, and then after I show you that it works, then we will do it automatically. Okay, so here are the contents. Okay, these are the contents, and then we're going to transfer it inside this flash drive. Okay, so I created here a folder. I name it sample backup folder. So this is the folder where I'm going to save or have a backup saving of the ABR MCU. Okay, so this content, so let us separate these two. Okay, so all of these contents or all of the contents of ABR MCU folder, I want to save them inside this folder inside my flash drive. Okay, so I have here a blank file folder. Okay, so by doing that, so I have to test first my my command. Okay, so I am going to show you the command. Okay, so I will open the command. Okay, here's the command. This is the command line. Okay, so this is the command that you're going to use to automatically save or have a backup of the file that you want to be saved into your flash drive. Okay, so take a look at the command. So rclone. So this is the rclone installed already into my PC. Okay, and then here is the command, particular command, which is sync. So rclone, then the rclone will sync or copy. In other words, it will copy the ABR MCU. So this is the complete or full path, complete path of my folder ABR MCU. So ABR MCU can be found in my home by desktop path. Okay, so that is the file location, and then this ABR MCU will be copied into my flash drive. So my flash drive is technically having a name BF7E-7B6F. Okay, and then inside my flash drive, I have here a sample backup folder, which I showed you already blank. Okay, so after I enter this command, or after I run the command, so you will see that the ABR MCU contents will be copied into the sample backup folder. So it is still manual, just to show you that this command is working. Okay, so again, so here's now the command. So if I enter or I press the enter, then the command will run. So, and then we will take a look if the ABR MCU content are copied into the sample backup folder inside the plus drive. Okay, so let's do it. Okay, I will now hit the enter. Okay, so then let's go and see if there is a copy of all the contents of the ABRMCU. So take a look at the ABRMC contents. So, and inside the sample backup folder, so here's the sample backup folder. So they have the same contents now. So meaning to say, the rclone copied all the contents of ABRMCU into my flash drive inside my sample backup folder. Okay, so it means the command work. Okay, so now I will do it again to make it more clear. So I will delete all the contents again so that you will see that this will work again. Okay, so now the files are already deleted. So again, the sample backup folder is blank. Okay, no anything inside. And then let's take a look again at the our command. Okay, so this is the command that we're going to use. So I'll just make our CMD console to be smaller so that you will see how the transfer or transferring of files to the sample backup folder will take place. Okay, so again I will retype the command. So here's again the command, so I don't need to retype it. Just press the up arrow and the recent command will be retyped. Okay, again. So this time I will be going to enter, and then you will see here the transferring of files. So it is still manual. Okay, so as I said, I'll do it manually, but later on I will do it we will do it automatically. Okay, so just to make a proof of concept, I will do it manually. So I will now hit the enter. Okay, so as you can see, all of the contents of the ABR are copied or synced into the sample backup folder inside the flash drive. So this is the flash drive path. Okay, so now let us erase again, and this time we will do it now automatically. So let's erase this again, move to trash, then delete. Okay, so how are we going to do to make this automatic? Okay, so you need to create what do you call this, a shell script. You need to make a shell script. Okay, so as you can see, rclone.sh. So it means I name it rclone, okay, because the tool is rclone. Okay, and then that .sh, so meaning this simple note or code is about shell. It's a shell script. It is a shell script. Okay. So later on, I will do also how to make a shell script. But this is only the command I used a while ago in doing it manually. So today we will do it automatically. Okay, so to make it automatically, you need to make or create a shell script and then put that command line into that shell script. So my shell script is rclone.sh, and then I put the command line here inside the rclone.sh shell script. Okay, so there's a need always to have this this line. Okay, hashtag or dollar sign exclamation slash bin slash bash. So it's always unnecessary. Okay, it's a requirement. So without this, it will not run, or you will have an error. So as you can see, this is the same. Okay, this is the same. This is the command I used to run it manually, and then I just copied this one and paste it to my shell script, which I named rclone.sh. Okay, so after I created this, the next will be the crontab. Okay, so you need to open your crontab to make this command to run automatically. Okay, so how you're going to open your cron table, cron job table. Okay, so here's the command crontab -e to open the cron table. Here in cron table, you can make a schedule, no, of doing some tasks automatically every given time. Okay, so let's see. So if you hit enter, then you will go to you will get inside into the crontab. Okay, so let's go at the end part of the crontab. Okay, so I have already here a ready-made command for the work for the for our command to run automatically. Okay, so as you can see, our rclone script is written here. Okay, our rclone.sh is being called here, and the location of my rclone is in the home file. That's the location of my rclone.sh, which I already showed you. Okay, so this is my script. These are the content of the script, and then inside my crontab, I will I have to call it, but I need to put also the complete location and then the command, which is bash. So don't forget to use the bash command. So here's the bash, and then the bash will clone, or the bash command will call rclone.sh shell script, and then every after 10 minutes. Okay, so this is how you set your time for every 10 minutes. Okay, so if you're going to make it every 2 minutes, okay, so just change it to /2. Okay, then if you want to make it every 5 minutes, and then you uh, write it you write to it 5. Okay, so let's make it 2 minutes, so that after 2 minutes our command will run automatically, and it will make auto copying. Okay, so that the contents of ABR MCU will be transferred or synced or copied to the flash drive, particularly inside our sample backup folder. Okay, after 2 minutes. Okay, so we need to eliminate or erase our hashtag. Hashtag is a comment. No, hashtag is the sign used to comment the crontab line of code. Okay, so since there is no hashtag, so if we eliminate or erase the hashtag, so therefore the crontab will now have its task. Okay, so how to save this? So just press Ctrl X and then press Y and then enter. Yan. Okay, so as you can see, according to crontab, installing new crontab, so our task was already installed. Okay, so let's see if it will work. Let's wait for 2 minutes. Now let's wait for 2 minutes until we see here inside the backup folder all the contents of the ABR MCU. So our time is 7:47, so probably if the time is 7:49, if the time becomes 7:49, so the script will run the rclone. Oops, as you see. Okay, so it was automatically saved, so without knowing it. Okay, so from now on, even you don't do it manually, any change, any additional or anything that you do inside your ABR MCU will be synced or copied automatically into this volume, or into your flash drive. Okay, inside particularly of the sample backup folder that you chose to create. Okay, so for example, I want to make here additional file. Okay, so I name it new file, just a blank, no, file.txt. Then after 2 minutes, this will be again saved. Okay, so everything you do inside the ABR MCU will be automatically synced inside your flash drive. Okay, so let's see after 2 minutes. So where is our new file.txt? Okay, so you can see there's no new file.txt here. So after 2 minutes, this new file will be also sync inside our flash drive automatically. Okay, yes, it's working. Okay, okay, so I think this um, input tutorial help you. And then if you have a clarification, or if you feel that this input tutorial is not yet complete and you want to ask question or ask for additional tutorial regarding the shell script and the crontab, etc. So if you want to have clarification with those topics, so feel free uh, to ask question in the comment. Okay, thank you very much for your time, and I hope that you will help me by subscribing to my channel. Help me please to uh, inspire me to create more input tutorial videos. Okay, thank you and good day.